Objective 50.2, Success at School, is a new objective designed to be used at the beginning of the semester. This objective is a portfolio objective, so all of the tasks are written. Let's take a look at the intermediate level student guide. Task 1, students answer questions about a syllabus. They then look at their class syllabus and answer similar questions. Task 2, students take a look at a study life work calendar and create their own so that they can successfully schedule in time to studying for their ESL class this semester. Task number 3. Students take a pre-test and a post-test on vocabulary words. In the intermediate level, they're taken from the ESL student guide and it's a list of phrasal verbs. They take a pre-test and then they develop a study strategy, whether it be old-fashioned flashcards or an app like Quizlet to study the vocabulary. They then take a post-test and reflect on their learning. The official task is the learning reflection, which method of study they preferred and why. And this is to help set them up so that they know that they'll need to routinely study vocabulary if they really want to master their English. Task 4 is for students to set goals about their semester and write at the intermediate level a paragraph on those goals. And task 5 is reflect on learning. Students complete a checklist of what they learned and they explain which task was most valuable to them. This is the student guide at the intermediate level. And it is to be used in conjunction with your syllabus and the ESL Intermediate Student Guide. At the advanced level, they would use the advanced guide, and at the beginning levels, they would use the beginning guide. Now let's take a look at how this looks in Canvas. In Canvas, the Canvas content mirrors the content from the student guide. So students work through activities, and the items that you see with the gold star, these are the official tasks that students complete for the actual objective. Online, these tasks will need to be proctored, and there is a proctoring script in 0.3, the teacher guide, how to proctor online. You can find those scripts. Now, it should be noted that most of the actual official writing assignments do have access codes. So you'll want to take a look at those access codes, which are also included in the scripts, and in the script in 0.3, but you can also see them on the quiz itself. Okay, so this is the Canvas content. The blue circled items are items that you could technically leave out of your course if you're feeling pressed for time. The items with the red triangle are items that you should not omit if you want your students to have success completing the 5 tasks. And the items with the little check mark are items that you actually need to grade. So you'll want to take a look at the answer keys in 0.4 for all of those tasks. So once again, this objective is designed to be used right at the beginning of the semester. And you could even, as an instructor, there's a task, read a syllabus, for example. You could substitute your own syllabus for the Canvas content that we've created if you really want to make this objective very personal for you and your students. So that's a brief overview of our new objective 50.2. I hope you and your students find it valuable.